What if part of your school day could bring you closer to the future you want? Imagine spending 2.5 hours each day finding your purpose and changing your life through quality career training with students from all over the East Valley who share your same interests. At evit, your future starts here. At evit, you'll learn from instructors with experience in the careers you're passionate about. You'll gain advanced skills, hands-on experience, and industry-recognized certifications that prepare you for the workforce or continued education. You won't just learn about the job, you'll do the job. High school students earn credits that count toward graduation with the option to enroll in dual enrollment courses that count toward a future college degree. This year, we are offering a new sterile processing technician program for high school students. evit Central campuses are expanding, bringing quality career training closer to you. Our new partnership with Mesa Public Schools offers a nursing assistant program at Red Mountain High School and a welding program at Skyline High School, in addition to our Fire Science Academy at Coronado High School in Scottsdale. Our STEM Academy connects you with industry partners like Boeing, Honeywell, and Intel to prepare you for the high-tech jobs of tomorrow. Whether you begin at evit in high school, continue with us after graduation, or come to evit as an adult, you can find a pathway to your future. We also offer our higher education programs to meet Arizona's workforce demands, associate degrees, apprenticeships, and certificate programs, all at our main campus with smaller classes, affordable tuition, and an accelerated path to your future. Students can also enroll in high school equivalency or GED prep and adult basic education programs, creating new opportunities for career advancement. Whatever your next steps, the knowledge and experience gained at evit will set you far ahead of your competition. We are proud to offer a range of education pathways to your future, your way.